Emily from the Macy's Style Crew, and I'm back with a new video finally. It's been a long time, a lot of things going on, but today I'm going to be doing a July favorites video. So these are things that I'm currently loving this July, things I might have already been using in my routine, some of my favorites, my ride or dies, and I want to share them with you today. So if you'd like to see some of my July favorites, then keep watching. So we are first going to talk about some of my favorites for the face. So first up is this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. So I had a sample of this that I tried and I fell in love immediately. It's an amazing primer. It's a silicone-based primer, so it definitely gives you that velvet finish. I put it all over my T-zone, especially in this area. I tend to have bigger pores, so I really work it in there and it just smooths my pores, preps for my makeup, and then when I put my concealer and powder on, it just looks airbrushed. It's perfect. I just love this product. This is amazing. Really solid July favorite. Next product is the Le Beige Healthy Glow Foundation. Oh, I love you. So this foundation is absolutely amazing. It's my favorite Chanel foundation ever made. It's absolutely amazing. It's what I have on right now. I can wear this spring, summer, fall, winter, and it still looks the same on my face. It is, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like, it's not full coverage, so it is like a medium coverage, but I can build this up to a full and it never cakes on itself. It's like amazing. It has a beautiful glowing finish, but it's not dewy, or sometimes they can get a little too moisturizing, those like really moisture-rich foundations. This doesn't do that. It's just a perfect foundation, especially for me, just the type of skin type I have. I'm a little combination to oily, and this is just amazing. I like the way it looks with powder on top of it, bronzer. If I set it, it really does last a good amount throughout the day. I don't think I'd wear this to like a wedding or an event, but just for every day, wanting a good even skin tone, this is amazing. I love this foundation. Next favorite is my Ride or Die Concealer. What's up? How you doing? So this is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This is the best ever. It's got that little spongy on the top, great for application. It just leaves my under eye really blurred, really moisturized. Some full coverage concealers can be a little too cakey. This doesn't cake at all and looks great when I set it with a powder. I really get a good amount of use out of this too. It's like 2 or 3 months of use. I really love that concealer. It's just, I've used it since like 2012 and it's 2018. So what does that tell you? And last for the face is the amazing Benefit Hoola Light Bronzer. This is for all my Caspers out there. Holla, I see you, I see you. All my pale folk out there, this is what you need. This is the perfect bronzer and contour shade. I use this for my contour, but some days if I want to do just like a natural bronzy look, I kind of take a fluffier brush and bronze it out a little. It's just perfect. It's not too orange, it's not too ashy. It gives you just this perfect little bronzed up look, and I love this. I've been using it for a couple years now. It takes me about a year to go through it to hit pan. It's pretty good. It lasts a long time. I've used Hoola before, but it was a little too dark for me, so the Hoola Light, perfect. I love this product. So next I'm going to move on to the eyes. So these are my favorite eye products that I've been using this July and even before July. Just some of my ride or dies that I really love, that I use every day and are part of my routine. So first up is the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. This is the perfect color to prep your lid for pretty much any skin tone. It just goes on nice and smooth. It is a little bit heavier, but it definitely makes the makeup last a lot longer on your eyelid. It helps shadows blend out really well. Yeah, it's just great to work with, really nice color. I just like the way it makes my eyeshadow look, and it makes it last all day, and what more could you want? Really. So yeah, that's my Ride or Die eyeshadow base, definitely, is the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. Next, need a moment. This is my favorite eyeshadow palette. This palette speaks to me. Let me just open it for you so you can have a moment with it. Yeah, I know. This is my favorite eyeshadow palette. These are all the colors that I tend to always wear. Oranges, browns, nudes, you know, all that good stuff. It's the Morphe 350 palette. It's just amazing. I can take this with me and do hundreds of different eye looks. It's really complementary to my green eyes, so that's why I tend to use these colors a lot. So as you can see, my favorite color is the base. It's just the perfect color to set your lid. No iridescence to it, so you can do a matte look. You can even do an iridescent look if you wanted to. It's just amazing. That was annoying. So Morphe, they got it going on. And last for eyes, yeah, you know it, Chanel Le Volume Mascara. Oh, that sound. Hello. All right, so it's the Chanel Le Volume Mascara. It's my favorite mascara of all time, and I'm not just saying that because I work for Chanel. But really, this is amazing. It just makes my lashes look so amazing, so full. People ask me all the time if I'm wearing fake lashes, and I'm like, no girl, it's Chanel, you gotta go get that. Comes in waterproof, regular. This is regular, and the waterproof sometimes can be hard to take off, so I just like the regular. Pop it on. You can take it out and do both eyes with one removal. It's amazing. It is a little bit more on the liquid side, but it's not clumping whatsoever if you know how to apply it right. You just want to take it out, jimmy it left to right, and go upward, and just work it until your lashes are separated, and you'll be good to go. Ride or die, people. Fave. Love it. Check. Lastly are just some random products that I've been loving lately. Didn't really know how to categorize these, so I'm just gonna go. I'm just gonna start naming them, and just bear with me. I'm loving the Peace of Mind line from Origins. As most of you know, I suffer from migraines, I suffer from dizziness. It's horrible, it's not fun, but it's part of my daily life. Peace of Mind has really helped me out in terms of calming the migraines, calming the nausea, kind of cooling my neck with the Origins Peace of Mind roll-on. This line is amazing, and it's really helped me out. It's even helped with, like, if I have a slight stomach ache or just kind of a little bit of nausea. The gum is amazing. Most of the Origins counters have a gumball machine with the bigger gumballs in there. So that's what this is. It's just a smaller size, and you can get a pack of them at your local Origins counter. As you can see, I only have 2 left. I've really gone through that. The roller is amazing, just to kind of, you know, put on the temples. I roll it on my neck sometimes, and it's just really soothing for that back and neck pain. And then they also have the liquid form that you can just deposit anywhere and rub it in. Amazing line. The eucalyptus mint is so soothing for me, and I just love these products. I cannot live without one of those products in my purse. Next up is the Elizabeth Arden 8-Hour Cream Oil. I think it's called the All Over Miracle Oil. So this product is amazing. I like to spray this on my legs. If I'm going like out to date night or just going out, I'll be exposing my legs. This product is really nice. It gives me a nice glow, but it also hydrates, kind of rescues those dry knees or heels if you're wearing like a flip-flop. I really like this. So this next product that I'm loving is the Bobbi Brown Beach Fragrance. Perfect for summer. I talked about this in my fragrance wardrobing video. I just love throwing this on before I go to the beach or the pool or just a summer activity. It's the best smell ever. It kind of smells like copper tone, but not really. And then it's got this like driftwood, beachy, sandy smell. It's just perfect. And I like the lotion because I can just kind of lather it up and it's not too much, because you don't want to be making people feel nauseated. Last thing you want to do. So this is such a good summer fragrance for me, and I've been loving this lately. These last 2 products are some cleaning products. The Daily Brush Cleaner from Sephora, loving this, and the Solid Beauty Blender Cleaner. So I like to use this one in between colors when I'm doing an eye look. So if I want to use the same brush, I'll just kind of quickly clean with this, and it does the job. Then for a little bit of a deeper clean, when I'm doing my weekly brush cleaning, I'll do the Beauty Blender Solid Soap. So this stuff, like I said, solid. It just gets really nice and frothy, and it really gets deep into those bristles and gives you a really good clean. There's no smell left behind, so it's good for, you know, sensitive skin, or if you're sensitive to smells. It doesn't have a fragrance, but it really cleans my brushes. I love to use this once a week on my brushes. So that is it for this video. It's kind of a quicker video, but I just wanted to share with you some of my July favorites, things I'm loving right now, some ride or dies. Let me know what you want to see in my next video. I'll be posting them more frequently, and yeah, we'll see you guys later. I hope you're enjoying your summer. It's been a hot one over here in New England. Oh my gosh. The humidity. I hate it. I hate being sticky, and I'm over it. I'm very excited for fall. Sorry to everyone who liked summer and was excited for summer, but I like fall. It's my favorite. So have a great day, you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.